In today's video, I'm going to teach you insert video title here. Data validation is a simple way to guide entries and prevent mistakes in your spreadsheet, and adding a friendly input message makes it even clearer what belongs in a cell. Let's walk through it together from start to finish so you can set it up with confidence. First, begin by selecting the range of cells where you want to apply data validation. You can click and drag to highlight a block of cells, or use keyboard shortcuts to select a whole column or row if that's what you need. It's a good idea to think about whether you want to include header cells or leave them out, so your rules only apply to the places users will actually type. Next, go to the top toolbar and click on the Data menu. From the drop-down, choose Data Validation. This opens the Data Validation dialog box, which is where you'll define exactly what's allowed in your selected cells and what kind of guidance will appear when someone clicks them. Under the Criteria section, set the rules that fit your use case. If you want a fixed list, choose List of Items and type your options, separated by commas. If you're controlling numbers, pick a number-based rule, like whole numbers only, or set a minimum and maximum. You can also tailor the rule to dates, text length, or other formats, depending on how strict you need to be. Choosing criteria here ensures entries are consistent and reduces back-and-forth corrections later. Now, scroll down to the Input Message section within the dialog box. Check the box labeled Show Input Message when cell is selected. This option displays a small, helpful note as soon as a user clicks one of the validated cells, so they know exactly what to enter before they start typing. In the Input Message field, type the help text you want people to see. Keep it short, direct, and specific. For example, you might write, "Please select an option from the list," or "Enter a whole number between 1 and 10. Clear instructions here can prevent confusion and save time by reducing invalid entries. When everything looks good, click Save to apply your validation and the input message to the selected range. From now on, whenever someone selects one of those cells, they'll see your guidance right away, and the criteria you set will keep data clean and consistent. If you ever need to tweak the rules or update the message, just return to the same data validation dialog and make your changes.